traders, this is Thiago and welcome to Bull or Bear Futures channel. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like in the video. Today I'm gonna talk about something really important for day traders activity, that is pre-market preparation. How do you yours? There are different ways, people make in different ways, such as watching morning calls from brokers and banks, reading news, or so on. You have many ways to do it. I spend at least 1 hour every morning doing mine, taking my notes, listing my regions, listing my points. This is the process I intend to show in this video. Okay. As a day trader, I understand that it's better to, okay, news are important, but as a day trader, trading such a small time frame, it's difficult for us to understand, make an interpretation, and react to news or make strategy based on macroeconomic indicators or such stuff like this. So I prefer to focus on the charts and the volume and see what it shows me and establish my possible scenarios. Here on the left, top left, I have the monthly, weekly, and daily charts. Even though I'm working in seconds, minutes, trades, we need to have this big picture. And my final tune or my details listed, uh, very much based on this 50-minute, 5 minutes, sorry, 5-minute chart, and looking at this volume profile. That's actually important for me. And all this analysis leads to a list of points. And by the time I started writing my analysis, I understood that writing is better for my memory, or it thinks I absorb better the information. I started writing. Last year, a couple of months ago, I decided to start preparing reports. I already make the analysis, so I decided to prepare reports. I started this free weekly newsletter that you can sign up for free. The link is here below in the video, where we make a brief based on long-term perspective, talk about the weekly perspectives, the week perspectives, okay, and we draft some scenarios for the week and for this session. In this case was Tuesday because Monday was holiday. Okay, we can draft some possibilities here based on that point. I understand that such as in sports, we have to, before the match starts, you have to be things very assessed, analyzed. You have to define your strategy, your tactics. Then during the match, you make adjustments, and so it is what I'm doing here. Okay, and here we can list the regions, important regions, and economic calendar, where the objective is not to see the indicators and make interpretation and trade. No, it's just the message here is just at defined time there will be an indicator released, so stay out of the market. A bit before and a bit after. After this weekly report, I started doing as well the pre-market studies. That is my daily report, where we make a detailed assessment for this session in the same strategy, in the same way of the weekly. But here we have more details since we approach the latest session and define the possibilities for the current session. And it's actually helpful because when you make this beforehand, before the session, it's better because here our emotions are okay. We're in a calm state, no problem. We can have things clearer before the session starts, because after starts, our mind changes, our emotion change, so it becomes difficult to have a clear view, to have a clear assessment. So this is very helpful to do, to have before, and to have in mind also the regions and the calendar for the session. Okay. This one is a subscription based. You have a 15 days trial. So we're not going to pay nothing. You can subscribe through this link below. Okay. And I think it's worth testing. You could try this and see what we're doing. You can compare. The objective here is just to show you, to have some indications about the way I do it, so as you can inspire and make yours, because it's too personal. And hope you try and that it could be helpful for you as well. Hope you have enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and hope to see you on next video. Thanks.